We are going to use integration by parts to solve this integral and find the value of x. So let's begin. So we first of all have to integrate using integration by parts, and recall the formula is given by the integral of u. Then we have dv dt. dv dt will be equal to, so dv dt times dt will be equal to uv minus integral of v du dt times dt. So that is the integration by parts formula. So we need to find our u and our v. So let this be our u and this be our v. So u equal t. This implies that du dt is equal to 1. Then we also have v equal e to the t. So this implies that dv dt is equal to e to the t. So we do the substitution to obtain integral from 0 to x of, we have u, which is t, and dv dt, which is e to the t times dt, is equal to, so we have u times v, and the u is t. So we have t times e to the t minus integral of v, which is e to the t, times du dt, which is 1. So times 1, then we have dt. So the whole of this thing is giving us 1. So this means that 1 is equal to t e to the t minus integral of e to the t is e to the t from 0 to x. So 1 is equal to, we sub in the x, so x e to the x minus e to the x, then minus into brackets 0, so we sub in the 0 times e to the 0 minus e to the 0. So when we simplify this, we get 1 is equal to x e to the x, or x e to the x minus e to the x. Then we have minus, this will give us 0, this will give us 1. So negative 1 minus 1 will give you positive 1. Good. So we have 1 minus 1 is equal to x into, so x e to the x minus e to the x. So we can factor e to the x out here. Then we have x minus 1 equals 0. So this exponential function is never equal to 0. E to the x is never equal to 0. So we must have x minus 1 to be equal to 0. This means x is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of x is 1.